Your business deals with hundreds of new contacts every week. But every time you check your contact list, it's all just names and numbers. No context, no clarity, just clutter. Where did they come from? An ad campaign? Referral, or last week's trade show? Who are they? Vendor, prospect, or VIP customer? And how urgent? Open ticket or follow-up tomorrow? You don't need another spreadsheet. You need a simple structure built into the phone system you already use, but with tags in KrispCall to get simple yet flexible contact categories built right into your phone system that's AI-powered. Label leads as you need and filter them to use with ease and convenience, all inside your phone app. The best part? KrispCall lets you create tags before, during, as well as after all calls. Are you ready to learn how to do it step by step? Let's dive in. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Contacts. Click on the contact numbers that you've added here. On its details, start adding tags to categorize them before calls. Once done, click to call, choose your number on the dialer, and make the call. During calls, add tags to details you learn while on the conversation. After calls, go to your number, select the conversation in logs, and open its call box. Here, add additional tags that are necessary for closure after calls. Now, go back to Contacts and find your tags assigned to each associated number. Filter them on the drop-down, easily select one, or combine multiple. Need to modify any specific tags? Go to Settings and navigate to Contact Tags. Then, easily select the needed tag and edit it as you require. And that's how you turn a plain contact list into a powerful, organized system. With just a few tags, it becomes a smart, searchable contact base that works with you. Make every call organized and follow-ups fast and accurate with KrispCall. Visit KrispCall.com and start adding tags to your contacts today.